Good morning, students. Today we will now discuss working with layers. In this chapter, in previous chapter, we will discuss what is the layers, slice and layers, and now in this chapter we will discuss working with layers, how to add layer, how to rename layer, and how to hide layer, how to seal layer. Okay. So start. What is the layers? Layers are level in which we can draw to insert sounds, text with independence from the rest of the layers. See the picture. This is the one layer, and in the second layer, this is the layers. Next layers. This is the layers. Glove and goalkeeper also the two layers. The standard view of a layer is the one that shows the image. Let's see for the what the difference button are used and how to use them. This is the adding the layers and option one by one. See, insert layer. As its name indicate, it is used for inserting layers in the present sense. This option will show the add layer. Okay, got it? Second, guide layer. These are layers for a special or specific content. They are used in the animation of objects, movements, and its only aim is to set the trajectory that this object must follow. Next, erase layer. Erase the selected layer. Okay, if you want to erase any layer, then firstly we will select the layer, then press over here this option to click and select and erase layer. Show and hide layers. This button allows us to show and hide all layers of the movies. It is a very helpful when we have many layers and we want to hide of them one layer. So this option. So here this option is used to hide a show layer. And firstly we click the I button, then hide layer. It's a cross mark. Then this is a hide layer, and again click the show layer. Next one is the lock layer. Block layer or lock layer. It blocks the addition of all the layers, so we will not be able to edit them until unblocking them. Okay, clear? Here the lock or unlock layer. Next, show and hide layer. As this button show hide the content of all the layers as if they were composed only by border. Now we will discuss masking. What is the masking? Masking is revealing portion of your picture or graphics in the layer below. While surfing through the net, you might have come across lots of flash effects such as sky background with the wording or glitter boarding and wondered how it is being done. The answer of all this is masking. Most mask involves something being revealed behind another layer or object. For example, my birthday animation. This is my birthday card, and here we represent the what is the masking. So each and every features of masking. For spotlights, effect and transition, use a mask layer to create a hole through which underlying layers are visible. A mask item can be a filled shape, a type object, an instance of a graphic symbol or a movie clip. Group multimedia layers under a single mask layer to create sophisticated effects. To create dynamic effect animation, a mask layer for a filled shape used as a mask. Use shape tuning for a type object, graphics, instance or moving clip. Use motion tuning when using a movie clip instance as a mask. Animate the mask along a motion path. rotation with masking effect. अब how to rotate a layers, masking effects also. Open a new file by clicking the file, new, open. Import an image to stage by selecting the file, then import to stage. Okay, then fit the image by selecting the dimension, any dimension, just like as a 550 into 440 in the properties inspectors. Then click on the frame 60 and press F6 to convert it into keyframe. Rename the image layer to nature, lock the nature layer. Then add one more layer by clicking the insert layer button. Name the layer as star mask. Select the star mask layer and draw a star using the polygon tool at the center of the image with no stroke color. Okay, just then choose the selection tool and select the star, convert to symbol using the F8, define graphics behavior and type the name star in the name box, click then OK. Insert a keyframe at frame 60 on the star mask layer, select the frame 1 on the star mask layer and select motion from the drop down list of the twin property in the property inspector. Then select the CW option in rotate field. Right click on the star mask layer between frame 1 and frame 60 and select the mask option. Select the control plus enter to play the movie. Got it? Now using onion skin. Onion skin allow you to view multiple frames at a time. It serves as a guide in moving object when animating. Manipulating the small circle on the playhead determines the number of frames for the preview. Onion skin markers indicating the view image, just like here, and preview frames in focus to guide the animation, just like as a. Okay, when you create an animation by using onion skins, then first we click the open a new file, then draw a bird as shown in, then right click on the frame 2 and select insert keyframe option from the context menu. Choose the selection tool and double click on the image, animation image, move the image slightly. Click on the stage to deselect the image. Now place the arrow near to the image. When you get an angle symbol below the arrow, drag the end of the image to the different angle. Repeat the same step with the second and the image. This like rotation and here move and then move. Similarly move the end of the image as explained above. Okay.